Good night, everyone. Guess what? It's your girl Kamisha Warmheart here, and guess what? I am with another banger video. Now, remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend of a friend to like my video. Now, with today's challenge, it's gonna be the hot wing challenge. So, guess what? Waste no time, go right into it and enjoy. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today we're with another video. Now in today's video is gonna be spicy wings challenge. Show yours, Shanti. Right, so we have the pepper here and we have the drink. So we're gonna put the pepper. Whosoever eat all first, so let's go.
Eat all first.
Yes, so guys,
you show my pepper,
yeah.
That don't know.
Enough pepper that. All of them get pepper, goodie.
All of them I get pepper.
Alright.
All of you have pepper?
You're unfair, so coming in, throw pepper pan for you, they throw pepper pan for me. Put on your drinks. No drinks. Alright, so guys, look. Pepper all over. Show your Shanti.
All over.
So we're gonna go right into this challenge. So let's go. Guys, the pepper smell awful. Guys, the pepper, guys, it's KFC hot and spicy plus pepper.
Yeah, man, on this side. Oh, Jesus. This hot, man.
Guys, the hot bag. And guys, it's 5 pieces in each, so I'm one down.
I didn't want to get through.
No. So whosoever finish first, let me see what they're going. So one down, 4 to go.
Are true?
Guys, melted up pepper upon me.
You're going to well clean.
Yes. I'm gonna say, oh, I mean, no, you know, you're cheater.
No, I'm not.
Yes, and you're cheater.
I'm not a cheater.
Guys, we're on fire.
Sorry, I drink juice.
Somebody first drink juice. We'll lose. So guys, 2 down, 3 to go. I say Shanti run their teeth.
I'm gonna go good.
Wait, guys. These are 2 times spicy chicken. Oh God. Sorry. Never tried this with pepper mayo. You ready to give up for it? Guys, it's hot. Hot bad. Guys, it's hot bad. Ay. Feel like I'll drink some drinks, guys. What do you think, guys? Should I drink some drinks?
Guys, one leave. I'm not play.
Shanti, a thief. Oh, you have 2 leaves.
We're
Guys, me little hatty. So me have 1 leaf. Look,
one leave, girl.
1 leaf.
That is the pepper bag.
Okay.
I got to see I touch me.
Guys, now one leave. Shante feel no pepper.
Man pepper.
How much have you, Shante?
2.
Alright. Alright guys, so I'm down to the final one. Done.
Finish.
Guys, me finish.
Me finish first. Me first. Me first.
12 tie.
No. Me done sell.
Guys.
Let me finish first.
Guys.
No teeth, please.
Let me, guys, I'm putting it to you guys. See, Shante still a eat.
I little crumbs.
Me no busy.
You're
All mine done.
No, your bone not clean off like mine.
It clean.
no
Guys,
problem.
look at my bone. Look.
Me finish.
Alright, show them yours. Excuse
Mine
me.
clean off. See that? My bone them clean off. My bone
Alright
them
guys,
clean
so
off.
tell me who is the winner of this challenge, okay? Now see it. Mine finish. Shante still a eat.
No,
Guys,
mine finish.
you were my witness. You know who is the winner. So guys, guess what? Now drink some juice now. Roll up the juice, Shante. And we are cheersing out till another video. So happy nice no more. So thank you so much for coming, and guess what? We'll be back with another banger video.